This is your chance to be in the Ballantyne area as one of the most beautiful condo at the best price. This fabulous condo comes with new flooring, new light features, updated kitchen including backsplash, fresh paint throughout, crown molding and cozy fireplace. Exceptionally private location including several amenities in the community like pools, tennis courts, fitness room, picnic area, clubhouse with easy and fun walk to it. Really close to great schools, nice shopping areas, tons of restaurants and great entertainment areas. Enjoy the covered porch with friends or as an area to relax.